Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make an interior scene with V-Ray lighting, and I'll show you even how to make from normal materials, how to make them to V-Ray materials, and you'll see. I'll teach you the basics of making an interior scene. So go to your create panel, click on objects and select AEC extended and click on wall. It's good to have your unit set to centimeters, so it's like in real life, so you can model like in real life. My display units are in centimeters, and my system unit scale is 1 unit is equal to 1 meters. Okay, I'll click that. Okay, turn on snap toggle and right click it and select grid points, vertex, edge segment, and grid lines. I'll clear them all so you see I don't have snap. I'll turn these on, and there I go. See? I'll make the height 2 meters and 50 centimeters, because that's what a normal wall is. The width, I don't know, I'll make it 100 and I'll see if it's good. Okay, so let's go to your top view. Click Alt and W to zoom in and zoom out a bit like this, and I'll create a simple wall. You just click, and when you click the starting point, it says wall point, you click yes. And my room is very big, I'll have to redo it. Okay, I'll do it smaller like this. I'll do a square room. Wall point, yes. And there you have it. There's your room or walls. Okay, now we need, wait, I'll actually do this 200. Yeah, I think that's good. Maybe 250. Yeah. Okay, so now go to your create panel again on objects and click windows. We'll create our windows now. I'll use, I don't know, casement, and go to your top view again and just zoom in, and as you see it snaps to the walls, so it's easy. Now click and hold and you'll see this line. Release it when you want and just snap it to the next wall like this. And now it's kind of tricky, so you have to move your mouse a bit to make the height. So the height now is 515. I'll zoom out and I'll do it by typing. Okay, what happened? Okay. I'll go to modifiers, I'll drag it down. I'll even turn off my snap because I don't want it anymore. I don't need it. And sort of like this. The height, I don't know, maybe 1 meter. No, 1 meter is 150. Okay, the width should be, I don't know, 1 meter. No, 150 again. 500, sorry. And the depth 250. Okay, as you see, it's not a window. I mean, you see the borders, but you can't see through it. That's because it's not linked to the walls. So you have a link tool here. Select a link. So you click on this tool, select the window, and link it to the wall. And as you see, it makes a hole for us, and we don't have to use Boolean or something like that. I'll even modify it up some more. Horizontal width, make it 50, vertical width 50, thickness, I don't know, 80. That's kind of good. Okay, now move it where you want. I'll actually make a few more windows. I'll copy one here. I'll make it an instance, and I'll make 3 copies, or I should make just 2. So I'll delete these, I'll move them, and as you see, if I move them, they leave the hole. And if you want to remove a window, so like if you remove this window, well, there's kind of a bug when you have a window and you want to remove it and you click delete, but the hole still stays. In that case, you have to move it from the wall so it doesn't interact with the wall, and then delete it. Okay, I think it's quite nice. I'll copy one more. I'll make it an instance again. Oops. Instance, and I'll rotate it 90 degrees. I'll go to my top view, and I'll align them. You can do this by making new windows. I just want to be accurate-ish. I'll zoom in. As you see, it's not perfectly moved, and I just deselected them all. I don't know why. Come on, move. Perfect. And yeah, you see we have 4 windows. 6 windows, sorry. I can't count. Okay, now the material for the windows is built in 3ds Max. I don't know if it's on the other versions of 3ds Max. I mean the lower versions of 3ds Max, but 2009, 2010 has them. I think 2008 too. So go to material editor and select a material. Click this get material icon and go to material library. As you see, it's empty, but click file, open, and go to your where you installed Autodesk 3ds Max, and in your 3ds Max folder you have material libraries. Double click that and you see AEC templates. Double click it, and as you see we have door template, rail template, stair template, wall template, and window template. We only need the window template for now. Double click it and it replaces. Now as we made these an instance, it should tell the other windows to get this material. Well, it should, but it didn't. No matter. I'll apply them to all windows. Okay. As you see, they're see-throughable. You can see the grid. And if you don't believe me, I'll rotate it a bit. See? We see the room. That's perfect. Okay. Now, actually, I don't know. You know what? I'll cut this tutorial and we'll see you, well, I'll see you in part 2 of my tutorial. Okay, see ya.